Hey guys, back in another video. Today I'm going to be quickly showing you how to use Fusion360 for personal use. So you're going to want to search up download Fusion360 personal use. At the top you're going to see Buy Autodesk Fusion. You don't want that. What you want to do is scroll down to see Autodesk Fusion360 for personal use. You click on that, right? You click on that. And you click Get Autodesk for personal use, right? So you want to click, I need to blur that out. So you come into here and you put in your email. Well, you're going to have to put in your email and password first. Then it'll send you here. You put in your email, you click continue. If you already have it, then you need to, if you already have your information put in, which I doubt you would unless you've used the software before, which in this case you wouldn't be watching this, or you'd have scrolled already. So you click I agree, right, and then submit, and once it submits, it'll say download and install. You click download, you go up to the corner, you open your download, you set it up and stuff, right? You install it, you give it your permissions and stuff that it asks for, and once it's installed, you can use it. So it'll look like this. If it's over here in your bar thing, right? If it's over there in your programs thing, just click pin to taskbar and move it wherever. So I put it there, and I use it every single day. I use it for every video. So that's a quick 2-minute walkthrough. See y'all in the next one.